Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed. So let's see how to do it. First of all, go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, find WhatsApp, click on storage, clear data, clear cache, go back, scroll down, app permission and allow all permission. Go back to home screen, go to Play Store and search WhatsApp. Update WhatsApp if it's available for updates, and then open WhatsApp and see. I hope your problem will successfully in this method. Thank you so much. Stay connected for more updates.